Okay, so if you are in your final year of engineering, you must have heard this at least once, that after engineering, prepare for GATE, get into some good IIT, and your life will be sorted. But have you asked this question, is it really sorted? Because a few years ago, I was exactly there where you are currently, right? I was asking the exact same question from different people because I also wanted to prepare for GATE. I was from tier 3 college. I was not very thrilled about the placement offers I had during that time, and I knew that I want something bigger in my life. So I prepared for GATE, but I didn't get IIT. So I had to choose between IIT Delhi and IIT Hyderabad. And now, after actually working in the industry and eventually landing at Google, I can finally answer that question honestly. Was the whole master's thing really worth it? Hi everyone, my name is Prerna Sharma and I'm currently working as a software engineer at Google, and I recently got promoted to SD3 also. And today I'm making this video to answer that one particular question I keep getting asked, and the one I asked myself a few years ago: was doing master's worth it? No sugarcoating, no follow these 5 steps and your life will be sorted. Just my real experience, the stuff I genuinely wish someone had told me when I was sitting there where you are sitting right now. So let's start with the video. So here is the first thing I want you to understand, that GATE is not for everyone. A lot of people assume that GATE is, a guaranteed ticket for a high paying job. But that is not a good reason to do it. For me, the reason was totally different. I was from tier 3 college. I always felt that there was some gap, right? Not just in terms of placement, but in terms of exposure as well. Like, I knew the basics that time. I could clear exams without any problem. I could just read the books and clear the exams. But if you asked me, did I actually understand the concepts in depth, or did I understand the computer science in depth? I was not so sure. And the other thing is that I was really curious that how things actually work in the world of computer science. I wanted to know all, how operating system works, how compiler actually works. I used to compile code and I was curious to know that how it is actually working behind the scene, how network works. So I wanted to understand how everything is working under the hood. Because I just, I did not want to just clear the exams. I want to understand how the things are actually working, how I can build such things, right? And that curiosity was the actual reason that pushed me towards, appearing for GATE. So let me be very real with you. I did not appear for JEE, so I didn't know the difficulty level of JEE that time. And GATE was the hardest. Preparing for GATE was the hardest thing I had done up to that point. Because unlike our college, regular college exams, we can survive those exams just by learning things one day before the exam. But GATE does not let us get away just by cramming things, just by memorize things one day before the exam. We cannot survive GATE like that. It actually forces us to build that fundamental, to build that understanding from ground up. Then only we can clear GATE. Some subjects during that time felt really impossible for me. I still remember sitting some days thinking, is all of this really going to pay off? Because the competition is brutal. There are thousands of brilliant students fighting for those 100 200 seats to get into good IITs. So it was, sometimes it felt really difficult. So yeah, there were some days where I felt I am unstoppable. There were some days where I felt, am I good enough? Would I be able to clear it? Would I be able to get some good IIT? But you know what GATE definitely gave me? It was a discipline of sitting with the hardest problem and not run away from it. And trust me, that one skill has helped me way more than the exam itself ever did. And yes, this is a part nobody likes to talk about. I didn't get into IIT. And at first, it stung. It really did. Because when you are grinding for GATE, you will not even know when starting from GATE, IIT will become your goal. In the whole process, you start picturing yourself in the IIT, the opportunities IIT is going to bring to us, the prestige, the name that is going to bring to us. So when it does not happen, it actually feels like you failed. So here is what I have learned since then. So life does not always work according to us. Sometimes the opportunities that end up changing your life does not come with the package you expected to come it with. So for those of you who don't know, IIT Hyderabad conducts its own exam for masters, right? So I appeared for that exam, and now I had 2 different opportunities, IIT Hyderabad and IIT Delhi. And the decision was really tough because I have heard a lot of good things about IIT Hyderabad, that it has a great coding culture. The coding culture there was amazing, right? And then there was IIT Delhi, which was closer to my home. So I also wanted to, be closer to my home with my parents, because I never ever in my life was away from my parents during that time. or till that point. And I know it sounds very small that at some point you have to leave your parents, but that time it was a very big deal for me. I did not want to go very far from my parents. And also one thing, I heard a lot about Triple IT Delhi, that it is a very good college, no doubt, but for masters, for MTech students, they really pushes you to go towards research rather than more of the coding. But yes, you can definitely opt for coding. They are not tying your hands to do it. But yes, the culture in Triple IT Delhi was more of research for masters and coding for BTech. But there are a lot of good opportunities, there are a lot of good companies which appears for placements in Triple IT Delhi, and the opportunities are open for both BTech and MTech. So it's up to you how you are preparing, how you are going to compete with the BTech students. So you definitely need to prepare a lot. You definitely need to do a hard work to compete with those BTech students who are giving 4 years of their time to coding. So here's the one thing I really want you to take away from this video. Success is not about picking the best college, right? Success is squeezing whatever you can from the opportunity you landed. So it doesn't matter what college you are in. It's up to you how you are shaping yourself. So it really matters a lot how you are preparing yourself to compete, right? So that's really important. Okay, so this is where I think a lot of people misunderstood the concept of higher education. The biggest benefit I got from Triple IT Delhi, it wasn't the degree, it wasn't the name on the resume, it wasn't even the placements. It was the exposure, the experience I got from there. When I entered the college, I was surrounded by people who actually loves technology. People building random stuff just for fun, just for experiences, just for learning. I still remember I used to have a deadline at midnight 12. So we all used to submit the assignment and get together in the canteen. And we used to have tea at night discussing what other people has given as a solution. We used to discuss what was wrong in their approach, what might be wrong in our approach. So a lot of those technical decisions which was happening during lunches, during tea, so that helped me learn a lot. And when that's the air you are breathing in regularly into your day-to-day life, you will definitely grow. You can't help it, right? You will listen to people, learn things, and you will automatically start growing. My understanding of computer science became so much deeper by having those discussions. I actually learned how to break down a hard problem into smaller problem to solve it rather than panicking at it. So all these things, I feel those were the things which made me a better engineer, and I was able to bring that experience to my corporate life as well. And that really helped me and shaped me a lot. And all of that just kept paying off and off and off, even after when I graduated.
So was it worth it? Honestly, it depends on why you are doing it. If you are looking for a shortcut, then probably not. But if you are willing to invest 2 real years in learning, growing, and becoming better than who you were yesterday, then it can be one of the best decisions you will ever make. Because in the end, the degree didn't change my life, it changed me. I became more disciplined, more confident, more resilient. And looking back, not getting into IIT turned out completely fine. Sometimes life does not give you what you wanted, it gives you what you needed. So wherever you are in your journey right now, keep going. Your story isn't over yet. And if you are currently preparing for GATE, masters, placements, and you are just confused about what to do next, drop your question in the comments. I'll try to answer them. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this today. See you in the next video.